What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We're doing the Emmett Smith random and as well as the Mrazek Campbell random between Clancy and Rick. So we're going to go live. We're just going to do the one timestamp since we're doing two randoms. We are live at 4:21. It just turned 4:22 here in Denver. So we got the list of everybody except Dallas because Rick asked to get taken out of this random. So kudos to him. And then we have the Detroit, Dallas, Detroit, Dallas. We're going to go three times on each list. Top spot wins the card after three randoms. One, two, and three. Jay Jockish wins the Emmett Smith. Congrats. Next, we're going to go three times on this list. One, two, and three. Dallas, Rick, you're hot. There you go. And there you guys have it.